Oh yes, I am so excited. Brand new set of wheels for the Supra. I've been wanting new wheels for the Supra ever since I bought this damn thing. The wheels that you guys have been seeing on the Supra were the wheels that the dealer installed. The wheels that were on there at the dealership when the car was being sold at the dealership, well, someone stole those wheels off the dealership lot, which is why they put these cheap wheels on. Man. You guys have commented, yeah, those wheels just don't look right on the car, and I have to agree with you, and which is the reason why I wanted these wheels. Now, I know these aren't a set of your typical baller set of wheels, but I really like them. They're forged wheels. These wheels have been known to hold up very well on track days. You guys haven't seen Jackie Ding's Time Attack Supra. You know, he tracks on these T-37'S, which I absolutely love the design. I love the way they look. I really did want a set of TEs, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Those were just not in the cards for me. When you are in the process of modding two expensive cars that are expensive to modify, I should say, then, you know, something's just gotta give. All right, so Titan 7 T-S5s, I got them in 19s. I don't know the exact size of them. I think they're 19 by 10.5 or 11. This color is called Satin Titanium. This is the rear wheel, that's why it's so wide. And yeah, I just absolutely love the way they look. This is gonna look a whole lot better than the Konigs that are on the Supra right now. And I'm about to take this to the tire shop, get the wheels mounted on them, and we're gonna swap over the tires that are on the Supra right now, which is the Michelin PS4S's. Love the way they look. It's awesome. Hell yeah. So we just got back from the tire shop, got these mounted. Now you're probably asking, why didn't you coat the wheels before you put the tires on? Well, the reason is I didn't want the wheel weights to fall off due to the ceramic coating. You know, I've had that happen to me before, so don't ask. So these wheel weights definitely are not gonna come off, so we're safe to go ahead and coat it. Tires need to be cleaned, definitely. They haven't been cleaned in a very long time, but I like the way these wheels look a lot better in person than seeing them online. So in order to prep the wheels for the coating, we got ourselves a brand new fresh bottle of Geon Prep that I found. Didn't know I had it. I was about to order some, but we're just gonna prep it, make sure we get all the grease and all that whatever junk from the tire shop off of there. Of course, I'm gonna start off top. I usually start at the valve stem so I know I don't get mixed up with any of the other spokes. But yeah, you guys don't need to see all this. Gotta coat your wheels. Highly recommend you guys do it, especially if you have new wheels. There's gonna be so much easier to clean in the future.
I'ma need safety. Tell the op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hear it now.
All right, one wheel is done, 3 more to go. All right, so last wheel we have to coat. I already coated the other 3 wheels. I'm not gonna make you guys sit through all that, but the coating went on very well. Even though this is a satin coating, you're not gonna turn this glossy by putting a coating on it. You can even coat matte wheels. Now the coating that I'm using, I'll be honest, I'm kind of disappointed. I honestly thought I had more Crystal Serum Light left over, but all I have is this Adams graphene coating, which is okay. I mean, it's not the most durable when it comes to wheel coatings, but it's all I got for now. I already went ahead and ordered some, but I wanted to get this coated right away because, you know, here in the Seattle area, it's always raining. So I'm gonna go ahead and recoat this in the spring, summertime with an actual better coating than this Adams coating. So I highly suggest if you guys buy new wheels to get it coated. I'm talking about an actual hard coating, not one of those spray coatings. An actual hard coating is gonna last so much longer than those spray coatings. It just doesn't have the durability of an actual hard coating. Anyways, let's go ahead. Let me stop. I really like the finish of this. This is an awesome color. This color, it's like a gunmetalish type color. It's a lot darker in person than it is in the pictures, and I love the color of it. The finish is absolutely fantastic. But let me just shut up and let me get this coated, and we'll put the wheels on the car. All right, let's get this first wheel on. I really need to convert over to studs sometime soon. Getting tired of these wheel bolts. So you know what? I don't think we're gonna need the spacer. Actually, we'll try it on with the spacer. I'm only running a 255. Now on these size wheels, to fit the wheel well a little bit, or to get a more meatier look, I should say, we should be running a 275. That's the size I see most people running on the TS5s on the Supra. So, but we only have 255s, but they should do for now. I do plan on, God, you know what? You know, one thing I'm upset about these Titan 7s is that they do not come with center caps. Yeah, not bad. I dig it. Love the way it looks. So much better than the old wheels. Now, the Koenig wheels that I had on the car almost made me not want to drive the Supra at all. Now, I know what you're gonna say, you should have got TEs. I know, but now, one of the reasons why, you know, I got these wheels instead of the other forged wheels that are available on the market, it's simply because of price. You know, these versus TEs, depending on where you get it from, the style that you get and the sizes you get, you know, it's a savings of about between $500 and $1,000, which for me is a lot of money, but maybe next time. I actually am thinking of getting some TEs for the Subaru. I think the TEs would look awesome on that in the 18-inch version, but we're gonna have to sell some stuff. Maybe sell my old wheels, maybe sell my stock wheels, which have less than 2,000 miles on them. And that hopefully will help fund, you know, new wheels for the Subaru. All right, so plans moving forward. Now for the rears, these are a 295. I do plan on running or upgrading to a bigger size, a 305. A lot of Supra owners do run a 305, maybe even the 315 rear. I think that will just look much better, give you that meaty tire look. This also has a stretch to it, which I'm not too fond of. I'm not a fan of stretch tires. No offense if you guys are, but it's just funny, an 11-inch wide wheel will slightly stretch a 295 wide tire, but it still looks good, much better. Let me get you guys a better look from farther away. So since it is raining outside, the car's gonna have to sit in the garage for the next couple days. The ceramic coating does have to cure for 24 to 48 hours to fully cure. That's okay, not a big deal. I have to work anyways. Oh yeah, take that out. And whenever you get your wheels back from the tire shop, always check the tire pressure. So there it is. The new wheels are on the car. First look at it out in the wild, and I will say I am absolutely loving the way it looks. Wow, it's freaking cold out here. But yeah, much big improvement over the previous wheels that were on there. I'm not gonna lie, a set of TEs would set the car off a little bit better. I love the way the TEs look better than this. Like I said earlier, I do plan on going with wider wheels, 305 in the back. I'm gonna drop the front down a little bit, go with the 275 in the front. Yeah, absolutely loving the way it looks. But there you guys go. Maybe black would maybe make it look a little bit better, but this is what Speed Industries had in stock. Usually there's a big wait or like a short lead time for these wheels, but they actually had a set in stock. So big thanks to Alex over there at Speed Industries for getting this over to me in like 2 days. But yeah, anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for supporting the channel. You guys are awesome. Stay awesome. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.